Public sector data can help solve some of society's biggest challenges, from improving healthcare to tackling climate change. But using this data safely and efficiently for research isn't always simple. Dare UK is working to change that. We're building a trusted system that makes it easier for researchers to access secure data, always with privacy and public benefit at the heart. In Phase 1, we listened. We worked with experts and the public to understand the barriers to data access and began designing solutions. Now, in Phase 2, we're putting those ideas into practice. Together with researchers, technologists and the public, we're building tools and adopting shared standards to unlock the power of secure data for society. A key part of this work is trusted research environments, secure systems where approved researchers can safely analyse sensitive, de-identified data. At the heart of Phase 2 is Treevolution. Through Treevolution, we're supporting efforts to adopt standards, build trust and enable federation so that different TREs can work in a more joined-up way to accelerate research. Alongside Treevolution, early adopter projects are putting new ideas into practice. By testing them in real TREs, they make sure innovations are effective, safe and ready to support research that benefits society. Once innovations have been tested and adopted, research can move faster and more securely. That's where our research exemplars come in. Projects that show how TREs can deliver real benefits by tackling complex questions in areas like health, climate and social policy. We're also looking to the future, from new privacy-protecting technologies to safe AI model training. Our next-gen catalysts are exploring what's possible through innovation and collaboration, always with public trust at the core. Our vision is that researchers will be able to access secure, de-identified data more quickly and safely, leading to faster discoveries, stronger policies, and real-world benefits for society. Welcome to the future of sensitive data research. Faster, safer, and trusted for the public good.